Twilio Secrets Rotation allows you to rotate both main and standard Twilio API keys. From the Secrets page, click Add Rotated Secret and select Twilio. Provide a name, then open the Twilio console, copy the account SID, and paste it into the account SID field in Doppler. Next, we'll create the managing user responsible for issuing API keys by heading back to the Twilio console, click Account, API Keys and Tokens, then create API key. Name the key, confirm the region, set the key type to main, then click Create. Copy and paste the SID and secret value into Doppler, then click Next. Now we can configure an API key for rotation. We'll set the secrets prefix to Twilio rotated to avoid potential name collisions with existing secrets. Confirm the rotation interval and click Next to complete the configuration process. The final step is to replace the hard-coded Twilio secrets with references to the rotated values, so no application code changes are required.